Title: Gender Understanding Identity and Expression. Meaning: today, we're delving into the word gender. Gender is a complex and multifaceted concept that refers to the roles, behaviors, and characteristics that a society considers appropriate for individuals. It's how we express and identify ourselves. Pronunciation. Pronouncing gender is simple. Gender, with a soft G and a short E. Use in a sentence. For example, gender is a fundamental aspect of a person's identity, influencing how they perceive themselves and interact with the world. Importance. Understanding gender is crucial in promoting inclusivity and respecting the diversity of human experiences. It's a concept that goes beyond the binary understanding of male and female and recognizes a spectrum of identities. Conclusion. In summary, gender is a word that encompasses the rich tapestry of human identity and expression. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, let's celebrate and embrace the diverse aspects of gender in our world.